IT hierarchy. Okay. So these all are basics which I am explaining to you. Why? Because you are entering to a IT company newly. So first you should know like what type of company you are going to enter and how the IT hierarchy will be there. Okay. So still we did not went into business analyst concepts. We are in just trying to enter. Okay. So each and every company will have their own hierarchy. Okay, we can't assume that each and every company is going to have same hierarchy, but whatever the hierarchy you are seeing on the slide, maximum level 5 companies are going to follow this hierarchy. Okay, so in an IT company there will be CEO. CEO stands for Chief Executive Officer, and under him there will be 4 persons. So these 4 persons are nothing but the 4 pillars of the IT company. So first there will be CIO, which is nothing but Chief Information Officer, and there will be CTO, which is nothing but Chief Technology Officer, and there will be CFO, which is nothing but Chief Financial Officer, and there will be COO, which is nothing but Chief Operational Officer. So these 4 people are going to act as 4 pillars for the IT company. So under CIO, there will be Principal BA. So the role of a Principal BA is to coordinate with the clients and to get the project success. Okay. He is going to coordinate with the clients and he is going to take the entire project specifications and he is going to hand over that project to a project manager. Okay. There the Principal BA role ends. So he is not going to involve in any project. His only role is to take projects from different clients and is going to assign those projects to the concerned project managers. Okay. So under Principal BA there will be project manager, but project manager is going to directly report to the CTO, not to Principal BA. Okay. So under project manager there will be IT team. IT team in the sense there will be testers, there will be developers, there will be BAs, there will be QAs, quality analysts, and there will be networking administrators, there will be database administrators. So there will be designing team. So all these people comes under IT team. Okay, they are going to report to the project manager. And CTO, as I said, Chief Technology Officer. So anything related to the technology issues, so those will be handled by CTO. That means if you want to change the technology or if you want to update to technology or if you want to make any trials on the technology. Okay. So if you want to increase any hardware requirements or software requirements, so everything comes under CTO, that is Chief Technology Officer. And under CFO, there will be finance and account manager. So under them, there will be financial executives. So CFO is related to all financial activities. That means if any new project is there, so if you want to bid tender for that new project, then CFO is going to arrange the funds for bidding and to pay the employee salaries. Then CFO is going to take care of that, and to pay PF, provident funds, or to pay insurance, and to pay office rents, and to pay cab expenses or petrol expenses. So all these will be undertaken by CFO, that is Chief Financial Officer. So whatever the activities which are going to have impact of finance, so those are connected with the CFO, that is Chief Financial Officer. And under COO, there will be BDM. So BDM stands for Business Development Manager. Okay. So Business Development Manager is nothing but he is going to take care of all the business related things. So under him there will be sales team, and under sales team there will be pre-sales team. So what this pre-sales team is going to do is they will try to do marketing of the IT company, saying that our company is going to develop this kind of projects, and they are going to develop this kind of applications and everything. So this pre-sales team is going to register in freelancer websites, and they will search for the clients. Okay, so once if they find anyone is interested, then they are going to pass those leads to the sales team. Now sales team is going to explain like what are the products we have done and what is our company and everything. So if the client shows interest to uh, get in contact with our company, then the sales team is going to pass that lead to the BDM, that is business development manager. Now business development manager is going to get in close with the client, and he will take all the requirements and what he will exactly find out what he is looking for and everything. If he finds that the client is genuine and he is ready to get in contact with our company, then he will inform to the COO. Now COO comes into the picture and he will finalize the project. Okay, so COO and principal BA are going to explain like what is all this project and everything, and they are going to assign to the that project to a project manager. Okay, so this is how the hierarchy flows in a IT company, and this is an